These aren't your average truck bodies. Designed to outperform in the harshest environments, an ORO service truck is dependable, efficient, and engineered to handle anything you can throw at it. Family owned and operated, we understand the value of keeping it simple and doing things right. That's why we build every ORO truck body right here in Ontario, Canada. From the first concept sketch in the office to the last nut and bolt on a finished service truck, an ORO truck body incorporates over 2 decades of design and manufacturing experience into one robust platform. Built by Canadians, for Canadians, we're constantly challenging industry expectations. Whether it's dealing with our harsh Canadian climate, the challenges of remote environments, or simply getting the most out of an M-Series service body, we're here to get the job done. Here at ORO Design, we're building truck bodies to exacting standards and providing unrivaled support to the service technicians who use them in the field. We're proud to be different. Experience what sets us apart.